Hello YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer and you're just joining the Tiger Ambush for the first time, before I yell at you, pause this video, go down below and hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. Also, you can check me out on my socials at Instagram at Remy Mattison and on TikTok at Remy Mattison. Now, without further ado, let's jump in to today's video. So if you can tell by today's title, it is going to be yet another shuffle tutorial video. I know you guys like it, I like making it, and I'm keeping it up. I'm going to keep making more shuffle tutorials so we can all get better together. So today is going to be the Polly Pocket tutorial, which is a variation of the Running Man. It's where your legs go diagonally. It's a bit cooler, it looks a bit better than the Running Man. Everyone does it, it's the move to do. So if you're about that, get warmed up, get off your couches, put your phone down, set it up so you can see me, and let's do the Polly Pocket together.
So this is what the Polly Pocket looks like. As you can see, it's basically the Running Man, except it's going on a different plane. To begin the Polly Pocket, we'll start with the basic Running Man. I also have a tutorial on how to do the regular Running Man, so you should definitely check that out. So doing the Running Man is essentially the first step of the Polly Pocket. So once you've piked one leg up, creating a triangle with both your legs, bending your knee and having your foot back, you're going to pop out. So you're going to bring the knee that was piked up forward and the knee that was flat on the ground back. Then you're going to switch legs, do the other side, jumping up into the center, keeping your body in the center of its gravity. Then you're going to pop out again, hike your knee up, pop out, pike your knee up, jumping both feet to the center, pop out. As you can see here from the front view, we're just going in a straight line. So there's no diagonal movements so far. Now that we've got our regular Running Man down, we're going to look at our Polly Pocket. So continuing with our regular Running Man, what you're going to do instead is you're going to imagine that there's an X on the ground. So we're moving in different planes. So instead of when you're separating your legs and one shoots forward and one shoots back, instead of doing it on a straight line, you're going to twist your hips in the opposite direction of the front leg that's shooting out forward. Then you're going to pop up back to the center, facing forward just as you would do in the regular Running Man, but when you shoot your other leg back out, you're going to go on the opposite side doing a diagonal. As you can see in the regular Running Man, after you stand shoulder width apart, you're going to pick up one of your legs, piking your knee, you know all that jazz. But instead of going straight down how you normally would on the Running Man, landing on your heel and popping your feet out, your body is going to twist and you're actually going to bring your leg across your body on a diagonal. So instead of your usual pop out, when you bring your leg up and you're going to move into the Running Man, you're going to go on a diagonal. Okay, now we're going to focus on the jumping part. So start with your leg piked as usual. So when you're twisting your hip and you're shooting your leg out, twisting your hip to the opposite side, what you're going to do is you're going to jump your back foot out. Then as you're jumping into the center, you're going to jump both feet inwards at the same time, piking the other leg, and then shooting both feet back out, landing at the same time. So let's try that with me. Just start in the center, your feet shoulder width apart. Then what you're going to do is pike one of your legs, doing your regular Running Man, but instead twisting your hip to the leg that's in front. So you're facing forward and diagonal and popping out, landing your front foot on your heel. Then you're going to return to center, jumping both your feet up just like in the regular Running Man, picking up the other leg. Then you're going to twist that leg, hip in the opposite direction, and land on your heel with that foot. So once you get it, you can pick up the pace.
is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if you got the move, take a video, send it to me on Instagram, and also comment down below if you got it and what tutorials you'd like to see in the future or any videos you'd like to see in the future. Just tell me down below how you are, what you doing, what you up to, how you felt about this video, what your day is like, anything, really, I don't care. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, Instagram, TikTok, @Remy Mattison, and if you haven't already, what are you doing? Subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple days, and I think my next video is going to be a bikini haul, so if you're excited for that, stay tuned. Bye-bye.